Well, did you hear what Les said?
What?
Nathan guarantees you won't make it. So then he just fucking jumped it.
Who said that?
Nathan, Les's son.
Oh.
He goes, I guarantee you won't make it.
Me?
To Drew.
Oh.
And then he just put the skinny pedal down. That's a good spot!
Yeah, just try to climb the tree. Aim at the tree. You're gonna have to bump it. Your tires are sick. Do you realize you just traded his 38-inch SXs for those?
Seriously?
Like doing met up here.
Yeah.
From like fucking 4 hours in Washington to here.
That's good!
You gotta bump it like this. Hey, Drew. Put it in first gear. Try to idle that way. You might slide over. Like you're at the top on your side. You're gonna have to bang seconds like that. You gotta bump it back.
Yeah, right there.
We're up third. Like right there. So we gotta go. It's all fucked up the whole way. God, dude. I don't know how that one truck drove up it.
Dude, I don't know.
I thought I could drive up it. Usually I could drive.
Yeah.
It wasn't like that.